What's up, guys? Today we're trying candy. So my dad buy this right now. So guys, and one more. So guys, we're gonna try it. Okay, guys. First we need to open this. I already opened it. First we went to YouTube channel. Look, guys. Let's go try it. It's hard, guys. It's hard, guys. Guys, is it like coconut? So guys, bye.